welcome in, guys, to this 10 minutes of rest, restore, and deep relaxation. So first of all, I want you to take a moment to find somewhere comfortable to be. And you can either be sitting up, you can be on a chair, you can be on your sofa, you can be sitting on the floor. If you prefer lying down, you can lie down on your bed, again on the sofa. The most important thing is just to make sure that you're really comfortable. And also make sure that you're warm. So you might want a blanket, you might want a pillow under your head if you're lying down. I'm going to give you a few moments just to settle in. And once you've found your comfortable place to sit or to lie down, I want you to take a moment to really connect to the breath. So take a couple of really deep breaths in through the nose, inhale, and then just let the breath go out the mouth, exhale. And do that a couple of times for me. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. And as you breathe out through the mouth, see if you can really drop the shoulders. And then close the eyes if they're not closed. Soften the face. And then I want you to bring your awareness to your tongue and really notice where the tongue sits. So quite often it gets stuck to the roof of the mouth, or it sits behind the back of the teeth. So I want you just to take a moment to notice this and see if you can encourage the tongue to fall back into the mouth and soften and relax. And what this does is it sends a little signal to the brain to tell the body that it's safe. And when the body knows it's safe, it can begin to relax. And then I want you to take a moment to bring your awareness to your forehead and see if you can just soften and relax the forehead. And then even though the eyes are closed, see if you can bring your awareness to your eyes and soften all the skin around the eyes. And then bring your awareness to your nose and see if you can just soften and relax the nose. And then the cheeks, the chin, the jaw, the throat, the chest, the rib cage, the belly, the pelvis, the lower part of the body, the thighs, the knees, the shins, the calves and the ankles, and then the tops of the feet, the soles of the feet, and then all 10 toes. They just soften and they relax. And then take another breath in through the nose for me. Inhale. And then as you exhale, see if you can just soften a little bit deeper into your space and relax. And then bring your awareness all the way to the top of the head and see if you can just soften and relax the top of the head, the back of the head, the back of the neck, the middle of the back, the lower back, the buttocks, the backs of the thighs, the backs of the knees, the calves, the ankles, the tops of the feet, the soles of the feet. And then again, all 10 toes, they just soften and they relax. Take another breath in through the nose, inhale, and then exhale, breathe out. Then I want you to bring your awareness to your breath and see if you can really notice your breath like you've never witnessed your breath before. So really notice the cool sensation of the inhale as it travels down the nose, all the way down the throat, into the belly. And then as you exhale, the belly softens, the breath travels back up and back out through the nose. So I want you just to watch that cycle of breath for me. So inhale, the breath travels through the nose all the way down into the belly. The belly expands a little bit. As you exhale, the belly softens and the breath comes back up and out through the nose. And then we're going to practice a breathing exercise that's called triangle breath. So triangle breath is where you breathe in for a count of 3. You hold the breath for a count of 3, and then you breathe out for a count of 3. But when you hold the breath, it's a really gentle pause, a really soft pause. And if you are experiencing a really busy mind still, which is really normal, you can draw a picture of a triangle in your mind at the same time as you do the breathing exercise. So I'm going to count you in. We're going to do it together. So to begin, first of all, take a big breath in through the nose, inhale. Exhale through the mouth, breathe out. And then on your next inhale, breathe in for a count of 3, 2, 1. Pause, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Pause, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Pause, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Pause, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Pause, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Pause, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Pause, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Pause, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, pause, exhale. So I'm going to give you a couple of moments to carry on doing that breathing exercise in your own time. Breathing in for 3, holding for 3, and breathing out for 3. And I'll watch the time. You don't have to worry about the time. I'll let you know when it's time to come out. Okay, gorgeous people. Take a few moments just to Connect back to yourself. Let the breath settle. Come back to your easy and effortless natural breath. And before you open your eyes, just take a moment to notice how you feel, because you're much more likely to come back to this space of connecting with the wisdom of the breath, the wisdom of the body, which is a really magical thing to do. So be super proud of yourself for giving yourself 10 minutes to rest. And when you're ready, just gently blink the eyes open. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. From my heart to yours, lots of love. Namaste.